Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable music download in Dolby Atmos on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we want to go down and tap on Music. In Music, we want to go down again to the Downloads section and tap on Download in Dolby Atmos. So tap on the switch to switch it off or switch it on. If it is switch on, you can then download the music in Dolby Atmos. If it is available, not all songs will be available in Dolby Atmos, but if it is available, you can download in this Dolby Atmos version to improve your listening experience. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.